800 million people living in the ruin of the old world. Only one thing fighting for order in the chaos. The men and women of the Hall of Justice. Rookie, you ready?
Yeah.
You look ready.
Negotiations over. The sentence